enough of this nonsense. We got all kinds of activities planned for today's Founders Day. So let's forget about the Mayfields and their shenanery, and let's make this the best Founders Day this town has ever seen. Are you with me? Yeah! Great. Now keep moving.
Oh, good day to you. Yes, yes. Wow. Ghost Town is alive, Katie. Ghost Town is alive. Good day to you, sir.
Happy Founders Day.
Thank you. Look at that.
Good to see you.
The Calico Gazette. Well, hello everyone. Welcome, Life Disney and Beyond. We're here at Knott's Berry Farm because why, Katie?
Well, it is Founders Day.
And it's Ghost Town Alive. Ghost Town has come alive, you guys. It's the annual tradition here that starts on this day, and it lasts through the summer. As you just saw, this is kind of what it's about. Right when we came in, it kind of started, and you know, they were claiming Founders Day. They're talking about the history of the town. The mayor's not too happy about this situation going on because there's Founders Day and Mayfield Day right now.
There's a lot of stuff going on.
Yeah, so hijinks.
We got lots of stuff to do. We're gonna have a ton of fun today.
Yeah, we are.
So hopefully you guys can stick around, and if you are new here, welcome. Please take a second to subscribe to our channel. We're always doing lots of new fun things, and we would love to have you here. And if you like the video at the end, just make sure to give it a thumbs up so we know you dig it. I say we get started, my friend.
I know, I'm already breaking a sweat because we're having so much fun, and yeah, let's get into this. Ghost Town alive!
We're here to celebrate my mother, Phyllis Mayfield. You remember that poor woman who you took the deed to this town and gave it to that clothes washer?
Oh, Mr. Mayfield, if I may, I am Herbert Bird, legal representative to the town owner, Mr. Hopwing Lee, the clothes washer, as you put it. Now, let me remind you that the law clearly stated that the property legally belonged as the only living descendant of Mr. Hopwing Lee, the town's original founder, to my client.
We should look toward our future while honoring our past year. That's why I'm pleased to announce that we are having our first annual Mayfield Day!
When were you proposing we hold this Mayfield Day?
Today!
Today? No. Today is our Founders Day. Today is the day we pay homage to the original founder of our town, Mr. Hopwing Lee. To honor another on the same day would be disrespectful.
Yeah, well, I respect your opinion, Mr. Bird. I think that's what I said. But all things considered, there's nothing that says we can't.
Well, as legal representative of the town's owner, I say you can't.
Well, actually, Herbert, he has a point. There's nothing in the town bylaws that suggests that they cannot have their own Founders Day, or Mayfield Day, if you will.
We got roping. Yeah! We got riding. Yeah! We got robbing. Yeah! Nope, we're not going to do that. We're not going to We're not doing any robbing. We're not roping today. So, folks, we got all kinds of stuff to do to celebrate our first annual Mayfield Day. And with that, I declare this Mayfield Day commenced. Let's head down to the saloon and start the celebration. That's right. Mayfield Day.
And a Knott's Berry Farm experience at Ghost Town Alive would not be the same without Adam the Woo.
Trying to figure out what's all the hootenannies and the hullabaloo that's going to take place.
There's a lot going on.
Right here, look at this. It's two-sided, two-sided
gosh.
paper.
The mayor wasn't too happy about hearing about Mayfield Day, was he?
No, they're taking over.
Yeah, it's kind of fun.
The dang Mayfields.
Yeah.
Gotta watch your back around them. Watch your back.
Seriously. And just like that, the Rio Grande coming across. Well, good day to you on this beautiful, beautiful Founders Day. I said good day to you on this beautiful Founders Day. All right. Well, I hope you have a nice Founders Day, aka Mayfield Day. Depends on who you ask, I guess, right? Okay. Well, that's a strange response from a human being, but I'll take it.
Hi there.
Good day, sir.
How y'all doing today?
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Where y'all up to? Where you heading from?
We're from LA, but we're just we're checking out the festivities today.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
You look like explorers.
We are indeed, sir.
You're explorers?
Yes.
We are. We're going to probably go on the old rapid ride there.
Oh, well, great. When you're done with that, come on back here. I have a very special map that has some amazing... Have you heard of Pots and Culture? They're here in town. They're famous explorers.
Oh.
Those two right there, yes.
Oh.
Yes. And they have marked some buildings around town. So with this same map, there's another map in here. I'll get you one.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Here you go.
Okay.
Go ahead and read that for me, will you?
Potts and Coulter's legendary creatures of the town of Calico and its surrounding territory.
That's right. So here's what you're going to want to do. There's all the creatures in here listed,
Oh, wow.
and they're all around town. Potts and Coulter have, through their skills, I mean just brilliance and skills, they've marked buildings that have special signs on them. You're going to look for these, right?
Ah.
Okay? And then you do the investigating yourself and let me know if you can find them all.
Okay, I will.
All right?
Good challenge,
Good
sir.
luck.
Very interactive, Katie. Very interactive.
This is a lot to do.
I know. The beauty of the Calico River Valley, as I'm calling it.
The magic.
It's so amazing. Look at this. And the bloom has just overwhelmed the area. Calico River Rapids, Katie. They've had a new retheming and a refurb.
It used to be Bigfoot.
Bigfoot, yes. But I think, much like Disney, I think Bigfoot is still, he's still in the mix. He's still here.
He's still killing
That's
it.
what I heard. It's one of
Bigfoot's still here?
Harold's cousins. That looks like Katie.
There's sarsaparilla in here.
Oh boy.
Yes. Is there sarsaparilla in here?
Yes.
There is?
My bartender here, Anthony, will help you out. He is so kind.
Well, thank you.
Sarsaparilla, Calico sodas, and of course ale.
Ooh,
This
yummy.
sounds amazing. I'm so excited.
Hey, nice to meet you, Miss Violet.
Violet.
I'm the new owner of this here saloon.
It's a beautiful saloon.
Anything I can do to make you comfortable, just let me know.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Some cards if you'd like to join.
I think we might.
So Katie is, she said yes to that sarsaparilla. It's a good idea. They've got a few other sodas here you can see on the menu.
Is it gonna fall though? That's
Hope not.
it's okay, Anthony.
It's on you, Katie. You gotta get it.
Okay.
Have you trained?
Yes, hold on. All right. Still ready. Let's double press. All right, ready? Ready?
How it's done.
2, 3.
What? Just make sure you
That was awesome.
should twist it off. Sarsaparilla. Delicious stuff. Delicious. Oh, are you gonna chug?
Are you chugging it?
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Are you gonna chug it? I don't know.
Woo. That's good stuff.
That looks so bad.
That's how we do.
Delightful. And we can walk around town drinking our sarsaparilla.
And you're allowed to belch here in this town.
Oh, really?
What?
Proper.
Delightful.
The cards have been set on the table.
We're gonna play hogwash.
Do you know how to play hogwash? You're gonna have to. Oh.
This is her.
Now it's getting real.
It is.
Purely medicinal.
Absolutely.
Medicinal.
Yes.
Distilled in my own bathtubs.
All right.
All right. So, this game's called hogwash. And it's really simple. How many, you said that's a 2?
As far as you know, that's a 2.
Okay, 1, 2. So you have to put down 3s. Any amount of 3s that you got.
Any amount of 3s? Okay. We're really learning us some stuff. Okay, that was all I have.
So how much, so you say 1, 3.
1 3 is all I got.
All right. 11's
There's something in this
It's Jack.
sarsaparilla. It's giving us brain power.
Yeah, I get the strong stuff here. I stock only the best.
Yep. We can tell.
Do you like sarsaparilla, Gabriel?
Yeah.
Got a fat hand. I have way too many cards. I'm totally gonna lose this game.
Am I gonna put down a queen?
Yep.
Just one queen. I call hogwash.
You don't think I laid a queen down there?
I do not, sir. I challenge you, sir.
Flip it over and see.
Flip it over.
Flip it over and see.
Ah! He was doing it. I just wanted to say hogwash.
Well, Violet, thanks for showing us our hogwash.
Thank you for that.
Play
We appreciate it.
anytime. Now that you're pros,
That's right.
come on back. We'll play another game, okay?
We appreciate it. All right, as we leave the saloon armed with our sarsaparillas. This is the best way to cruise Ghost Town with the nice beverage.
All right, taking our sarsaparillas to City Hall.
You know what's weird is the longer you're here, the thicker and deeper your accent becomes.
I know.
I feel like I'm from Georgia. I'm like an east, southern, southeastern maybe.
I don't know. We're failing, but it's fun.
And you might think that it would bring out the accent in this young man, because he's from East Coast South.
I'm sorry, stuff's bubbling up in my chest right now. It's kind of hard to communicate. I think the key is to just drink more.
Mm-hmm. Agreed.
Is it proper to belch?
Apparently so. In this town it is. Yeah.
I want to. It's like right there at the tip of my tongue.
Upper deck, I call that. Right up in the upper deck.
Hold on.
Here it comes.
Burp, Charlie, burp. You drank fizzy lifting drink.
Yes! Yes.
I like how I corresponded that with the train horn, the train
good.
whistle. That was
Brilliant
good.
use of atmosphere.
Don't ask me to do it again, I'll throw up.
Come on!
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm welcome to Mr. John Potts and John Coulter!
There they are. Oh, that's who that was.
These two mountain men have single-handedly opened up the Western Territories with the establishment of their rafting supply and expedition company to all who seek a brighter future with hopes to settle on a piece of land that they may call their own.
We are here today to honor two fine, upstanding gentlemen.
Bixby Knowles, editor of the Calico Gazette.
Bixby, we know who you are. Why are you interrupting my speechifying? You know I hate to be interrupted.
Oh, my apologies. I was just wondering if Mr. Potts or Mr. Coulter could speak to the rumors of a strange, elusive, ape-like creature roaming the Calico rivers over there.
Bixby, please do not upset the town folk with tall tales and speculation. I, for one, do not believe the rumors of a skunk ape in these parts. Now, where was I before I was interrupted? What is it now? Quinn, why are you interrupting me?
Well, I'm sorry, Mr. Mayor. I know you don't like being interrupted, but I've got a telegram here, and you are going to want to hear it.
What is it?
It's from the United States Cavalry. Oh. Yeah, it says from the office of General Grant Higginbotham. It says a squad of soldiers under my command has been dispatched with orders to scout town of Calico as possible location for new fort.
Quick, let's go over and tell the sheriff the good news.
Oh, absolutely.
Come on, everybody. We're headed to the sheriff's office.
What do you know about a skunk ape,
I haven't seen
Katie?
a skunk ape before, but I want to see one now.
Very interesting name for a creature.
Of all the things that they said, that's the one thing I grabbed onto because it was
I think everybody else did too. So that means he's ape-like and he's stinky. That's basically what that means.
The skunk ape is what they call a Bigfoot in Florida.
Oh, really?
It's commuted from the East Coast to the West.
Wow, on Route 66 no less.
You can smell him.
Is that what that is? Look at the beauty here at KNOTTS. Amazing.
Gather around, folks. Gather around, everybody. Gather around. We have a big announcement. Gather around. Somebody ring that bell over there. Ring that supper bell. Good news for Calico, and we are counting on the sheriff's office to help put our best foot forward.
You can count on us, Mr. Mayor.
Well, that's a good thing. That's a good thing because we have lots of work to do to get ourselves a fort. Just think, this town may actually become the jewel of the West! I want everyone to be on their best behavior and keep your eyes peeled. If you see any cavalry officers, please let us know in town hall, okay? And let's make this town the jewel of the West! Get to work!
This is empty in my gun. What are you doing?
That is Rusty Pond.
I know. I don't know how that happened. Was it that river we crossed?
Probably.
Can't be too careful.
You can't be too careful. Happy Mayfield Day.
Happy Mayfield.
Happy Mayfield Day, gentlemen.
Oh, no, well, that's not my given name. That'd be ridiculous. My given name is Scrufferford.
How do you spell that?
C-R-U the fur.
Did you know that your device has a mustache on it?
It does.
Just checking.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to meet you. I hope I will see you at the hoedown.
I think you might.
Excuse me, folks.
Are you going to play your banjo?
I thought about it. I will if you play with me.
I don't know how.
Oh, sure you do.
Okay.
All right, here, let me hold your sarsaparilla.
All righty. Set it.
Yee! Yeah.
All right, gonna wrap it up now.
Hey! Well, that was
Section, ladies and gentlemen.
amazing.
Wow, we did a really good job. Thanks for
I think that was terrific.
Have a good one.
You guys enjoy yourselves today.
Thank you.
Founders Day, Jim.
Happy Founders Day.
Sir, how
Howdy.
you doing?
Happy Founders Day.
Happy Founders Day to you.
All right.
And happy Mayfield Day.
Indeed. Katie's getting involved in the Mayfield Day relay race.
Can I put my backpack down?
Our little friend's going to be involved. There's a spittoon with a bunch of snakes in there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So that's part of it. And then over here, there's a couple of boots. Nice, Katie. Whoa, it's moving. Whoa.
Nice. Don't you lose the hat now. 6, 7 snakes.
All right. Look at that, Katie.
If you want to come with me, I'll do it for you.
Look at the crossed out founders of Mayfield. That is brilliant.
Make sure people know it's Mayfield Day.
I love the little birdhouse up on top there. Nicely covered by what seems to be a bear pelt. And they've got some libations just in case they desire. Don't forget they got amazing funnel cakes here at Knott's Berry Farm. Oh boy. Oh boy. So as the mayor mentioned, the cavalry is here to scout a spot for their new fort, and they're doing just that right now. Look, they're looking around, making sure that maybe this will be a good spot. Nope.
I didn't know where you were. Don't do that.
They're scouting. They're definitely scouting. Trusty steeds on standby, waiting for their riders. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Whoa, whoa!
Hold it right there. Hold it.
It's Rutherford.
Actually,
He got busted.
we caught him. What difference does it make? We're all on the same side here. Sergeant Charles Bradshaw, U.S. Cavalry, at your service. What in Lord's name is going on here? We came into town and noticed this man looking around and looking inside the bank. When he came over to the bank, we saw the same man holding a gun up to the clerk. We tried to stop him, he ran out with a sack of money and fired against us. No, that's a lie, that's a lie. Deputy, look here, look. I went in there to close Moss and Captain. You can ask her all about it. And then I said, this one looked familiar. He shoved a bag of money in my hand, threw me out in the street, and started shooting at me. I didn't rob the bank. I might have been planning to rob the assayer's office, but that was all hypothetical. I didn't rob the bank. You know this man?
Is that Rutherford?
I was rooting for you.
I didn't do it, I told you. I told you exactly what happened.
Sergeant Charles Bradshaw, U.S. Cavalry. Great to make your acquaintance. And what was your name?
He is not guilty.
He's not guilty.
No.
All right. You guys go way back, so you're a character witness.
I know.
All right, they're going to take the money back to the bank now.
Did you hear? Cavalry came and they stopped the Mayfield. I saw them. Did you see it? So this is the second edition to that. Oh, that's right. You see,
wow.
Oh, it's upside down. You see, the cavalry was scheduled to come to town and set up a fort. We had to make sure everything was in the proper place and ship shape. And of course, the Mayfields, they caused a whole heap of trouble.
I noticed the cavalry was in town.
That's right. The U.S. cavalry stopped the Mayfields in their tracks. That was very lucky. There you go.
Headline, headline. Cavalry comes to Calico. That's right. We just saw that happen.
Hooter Road, Shagnaw.
A gumbaroo.
Oh, it's a gumbaroo! You know, does this gumbaroo have like a shell for a back?
It has more legs than the centipede family.
That explains all of these tracks.
It does, it does.
The squawk and a snipe. I don't see a skunk. I knew it. I knew there was a snipe around. I don't see a skunk ape listed anywhere on that information packet. Oh, dag nabbit.
But you know what I'll tell you? See this
dag nabbit.
See this Philomaroo bird? How they lie in upside down nests?
Right there, there it is.
We found it. The Philomaroo bird. Something ain't right in this bird's head. It flies backwards and sings a backwards song. It even builds a nest upside down. Watch for the Philomaroo bird is flying. On account of the backward flying, it can't.
So it's the Ulamalif backwards?
Good one.
All right. The ride was shut down. It's testing again, so hopefully we can jump on there. Potts and Coulter kind of were responsible for getting this area all staked out. And there's their little logo, Potts and Coulter. Katie Bear. Katie Bear.
That's me.
Katie Bear. All right, we're gonna go for it. Calico River Rapids, let's do this.
Seems to be a fox in the hen house.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Be in there. Be in there, fox. Yeah, get out of that.
He's one sly fox.
You guys ready for this? Splashdown time?
Do you get wet?
A little bit.
Just a little bit?
I think so. Uh-oh, a little spinning for Katie.
I hate it.
I'm gonna say goodbye. POV the whole time. Bye, guys. Oh.
You all right?
Whoa!
Oh my gosh! Hello, everyone! Oh no!
There's a drop right here. There's a drop. Whoa! Whoa! That one got me.
It's a little moist. There's a wolf.
Uh-oh, big one. Oh no.
Oh! Oh, what's going on here?
Oh, watch out. Oh no, oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Howdy, partner.
He looks scared. Like he's seen a wolf.
Oh, some raccoons. Hey, baby bear. Woo. Uh-oh, big rapids are coming, guys. Oh no!
No, please don't.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, be kind. Be kind, water.
There goes Katie. Uh-oh.
A lot of rippling.
Oh no. Oh!
I got a little moist here.
Oh no.
A little bit of a
Uh-oh. Whoa! Here we go. Oh! Hey, Mr. Bear. Say hi to Katie Bear. Ah! Oh! 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 Uh-oh. Spray ahead. Oh no! Ah! Ah!
plastic TNT back there.
I smell something. You guys smell something? Is that skunky?
That dang skunky.
I feel like he's nearby.
I can smell him. Cover your nostrils and he doesn't exist. Don't close your eyes, just touch your nose and you won't know he's here.
Uh-oh, we're going into a cave. Oh no. Oh!
There he is, right there!
Oh, there he is! Oh. I almost missed him. I don't know if you guys can see through the mist. Oh!
It's cold! It's cold, cold, cold! It's cold! That's cold!
Oh, we survived! We survived somehow.
You said we weren't gonna get wet.
We got soaked.
Spencer, you said we weren't gonna get wet.
That lens looks pretty Sorry.
We got soaked.
You lied to me.
I lied. I'm sorry.
We got soaked.
It's because of Calico. It's rubbed off on me. The theming was great though. I liked all the animatronics and all the cool stuff. It's super cool.
Get it!
Nice.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Woo! 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 Always gotta high five people when you leave Calico River. It's tradition, folks. All right, well, in my best Calico accent, I'm gonna say we hope you liked watching us experience this Ghost Town Alive today here at KNOTTS.
It sure was a blast. And remember, if you do come, it goes all the way till 5:30 at night when they have a hoedown. We might come back and shoot that another time.
Yeah, the second half, maybe to the ending, and we'll make another video of that. That might be cool.
That sounds like a really good, I don't want to say that because it's bad.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, we may come back and do this again. It sounds like such a good time.
It really was.
And stay a little later next time.
Yeah, and you know, we really think we solved one of the mysteries that was given in Ghost Town Alive. We found the skunk ape, and you found it with us, and that was awesome. Hopefully he was there in the footage. We saw him.
Hopefully,
he was there.
We'll see.
But yeah, if you like this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yep.
And when you do, if you put on the little bell notification that's right next to the subscribe button, you'll know when we upload and if we go live.
Yep.
And of course, if you want to support us, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put all the information right below in the description box on how to do so.
That we will, and we will see you next time on Life, Disney, and Beyond.
Bye-bye, everyone. Well, guys, I'll tell you, it was quite a day. But I did win this ribbon. You impressed? I like talking to you. I feel like you understand me a little bit better than Spencer. Sometimes he just doesn't want to listen. But thank you guys. Thanks for listening. It was a good day. Well, you stay here. I'm going to head back. I got to get back to Disneyland. So, yeah? You too. Bye, guys.